Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ambroj. The name of my YouTube channel is AMBROJAMBEDKAR. In this video article, I shall be talking about the first kind of pronoun, that is personal pronouns. As you are seeing that the name of the first kind of pronoun is personal pronouns. By name, it is clear what should be the definition of personal pronoun. I think personal pronoun, personal word is completely related to person, and there are three types of persons: first person, second person and third person. In this way you can classify the personal pronouns. There are three kinds of personal pronouns: first personal pronouns, second personal pronouns and third personal pronouns. Okay, in this video I will define personal pronouns. I want to say that in the form of definition of personal pronouns, that all the pronouns which have been constructed by persons, or all the pronouns which are related to persons, are called personal pronouns. Example: I, we, you, he, she, it. These are the examples of personal pronouns. If you talk about person of I is a pronoun of first person, we is a pronoun of first person plural number. In this way, all the examples of pronouns can be classified in certain numbers and persons. Okay, thank you very much guys for subscribing my YouTube channel.